Welcome to AirPipe. With AirPipe, you can build APIs, integrations, and workflows in seconds. Connect to your own databases, use your own scripts and commands, or query any HTTP endpoint as required. Deploy AirPipe anywhere with a single compiled binary, VM, host, container, or let us handle the hosting for you on our managed cloud. Simple YAML configuration provides powerful options on building your API and defining your data sources, with extract, transform, and load capabilities, as well as schema validation and testing. Built on top of Rust, AirPipe benefits from its inherent memory safety, thread safety, and exceptional performance, ensuring your configurations run flawlessly. Why waste time debating on languages and frameworks? Focus on building fast, reliable, scalable, and secure APIs and integrations. With AirPipe, we take care of the complexity for you so you can focus on building great products.